This video shows how to configure the IBM MobileFirst platform server for Oracle database. Launch the MobileFirst server configuration tool. Mine is in the IBM MobileFirst platform server folder under Shortcuts. You can also launch the tool from the Apps menu on your desktop. From within the tool, create a MobileFirst server configuration. Click OK, click Next. The Database Choice screen opens. Select Oracle Standard or Enterprise Editions and click Next. Select Connect using generic Oracle JDBC URLs. Under Oracle JDBC Driver, click Browse. Select the Oracle JDBC Driver jar file and click Open. The path to the jar file is displayed. Click Next. The Oracle Database Additional Settings screen opens. Enter a database JDBC URL. Enter a username and password. A database exists message opens. Click Next. The Create Oracle Databases screen opens. Click Next. Select WebSphere Application Server and click Next. On the Application Server Settings screen, choose the Liberty profile that you created in the IBM WebSphere Application Server Liberty Core video. Ensure that the installation directory is correct, that the Liberty Core profile is selected, and that the server name is correct. Leave all other defaults and click Next. The Analytics Settings screen opens. Click Save, click Deploy. After a few moments, the configuration successfully deploys and a Build Successful message opens. You must stop and then restart the Liberty Core profile. Open a DOS command prompt and go to the C IBM WebSphere Liberty bin directory. Run the following commands: server stop simple server and server start simple server. Next, verify that the MobileFirst operations console is up and running. Open a browser and enter a URL of localhost 9080. Enter a username of admin and a password of admin. If it is up and running, the IBM MobileFirst operations console opens with no deployed applications.